Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. What? Why are you carrying this chappal? This is dirty. No. Say hi. Can you say hi? Yeah, good job. So welcome to another vlog. So today is a snow day here in Atlanta, which is very unusual. It does not snow here. Last time it snowed, that was in 2022, and it was not that great. Before that we had in 2018. That one was like really good. This time it's okay, but definitely better than 2022. So yeah, we are having a nice not warm, dark, gloomy day today. Are we enjoying the snow day? This is your first snow day, right? Yes. So we are spending time indoors because obviously everything is cancelled. I cannot even go to my workout class today. School are closed. So we are spending time indoors. And if you have watched my last vlog, I did a Costco haul and I got butter. That's because I was out of ghee. So yeah. We are going to make ghee, right? You like ghee, right? With rice? No? He does if he wants to say if he likes something. You like it, right? Yes, he does. So yeah, we are going to make that, and I have an office corner to do. If you are on my Instagram stories, you guys know we switched our bedroom because of him, because we needed access to the bathroom. So maybe work on my office corner. I also have to get some kitchen towel because mine is like dirty and old. So I thought of refreshing those. So maybe I'll go to TJ Maxx and get some towels. So yeah, I haven't planned what I'm gonna show you next. Let's go with the flow. Good job. One, two, three. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make some ghee. If you haven't made ghee at home, it is super simple. All you're going to do is just take some butter, melt it and let it simmer for 15-20 minutes and it is done. It is that simple, and you wanna strain the mixture, and it is much better than the store-bought ones. And also a new thing I discovered is I used to like make ghee usually from the simple Kirkland brand, the Costco brand. But recently I found out that ghee made out of this Kerrygold butter is delicious. I can attest to it. I tried it last time, that's why I got like 2 of these this time, and it came out so good. It's like close to the ghee what we used to get in India. It's like nice and grainy, and it has that beautiful fragrance, smell, whatever you want to call. It's just too good. And shout out to Divya if you are watching. She was the one who shared the tip. And now we cook this. Okay, so now it's all waiting game. I will let it cook. So basically you just want to wait until the milk solid separates and gets in the bottom. That's how you know you have made yourself some amazing ghee. I left it to cool down and the milk solids are separated and it's in the bottom. That's when you know it's done. Okay. Okay, so done with my workout. I need to get like those cool phone holders so that I can talk while I drive, because I feel like whenever I drive I have the best thoughts coming in, but I do not have it right now. So if I start driving right now, the phone will fall flat on my face, which I do not want. I have a holder here, but I don't think it's gonna work because it's really too closer in my face. I want something which I can put here and then it extends. Let me know if you have any recommendations. Today was a jump class, and jump class is like, it's not my personal favorite because it's like too much on the knees. I'm gonna go home and get some work done. You wanna see how it falls? Let me show you. Oh, okay, it's not falling as of now. Working. Oh wow, it is working. It snowed in Atlanta and it is melting. And today is nice and sunny. It does not snow in Atlanta, but it snowed and it was good for a change, but it was pretty cold. Let me show you. There is like snow everywhere. Look at that. Look at the snow. It's everywhere. Yeah, it is not working, so I'll see you guys at home. So I have a couple of choices here. I like this one. It's cotton and the color is really nice. I have few others too, so I have to choose which one I get. Do not prefer white. This one, I really like this one too, but then this one has white. So my final 2 choices are this and this. I'm liking this green one. Let's take this one. I feel the difference when I go, like my mental clarity and mood is like really different if I go to work out And if I miss it, I'm a different human being. If you're a mom, I'm pretty sure you can relate to it. But yeah, that's what happens. Open your eyes. What do you say? It's a brand new day. First time. Come on, let's eat. Hurry, hurry, go get dressed. Even at fall, like I wanted to show you what I got. This is a mathematic board which I got. I'm pretty sure he'll not be using it for quite some time. Some numbers and other stacking items. I really like the texture of this one. Okay guys, so this is how my Monstera is looking like. This plant was neglected like anything last year. It has like roots everywhere, so I figured let's just prune it. So I'm gonna keep like few cuttings, discard the rest of the plant. I tried to give it support and everything, but it did not work. Pruning and having some cuttings, that is going to be the best solution right now in my opinion. Okay, so if you are somebody who does not know how to prune it, here is a little tip for you. You wanna find a node where there is a root and cut few inches beneath it. So I'm gonna cut it here. So this will be my first cutting. Let's find another place. This also looks great. As you can see, there is one node and then I can cut here. And then I can cut maybe here. This is a node here and we are going to cut few inches below it, that is here. Okay, so I have took out all the cuttings and I'm gonna cut these branches. I'm gonna leave this root here because this is going back to the soil, so I'm gonna cut it from here. With this one, oh, all going to trash. It literally breaks my heart. I do not like throwing plants, but it was going out of control. I will maybe plant it again in a big pot, but right now I'm gonna keep it inside water. So I just washed the cuttings. Okay, so now we will end up with multiple Monstera and then I can transfer this to the pots. Okay, so I am in this room which was used to be our bedroom. I did this gallery wall in my vlog. I'm gonna link how this room used to look like. But now it's a place where we just keep the extra stuff. So I figured let's transfer my office here. I just have a table as of now and then I'm gonna put a rug. I wanted to change the table, but let me know if you have any recommendations. So it's like pretty huge. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna make this part of the room as a little gym, that part as his play area so that he can play and I can work here. So I do not have much stuff for gym. I just have like few weights, treadmill, and I just have like few yoga mats. So that is the plan. So yeah, I'm just gonna put rug over here and make a little setup for myself. This rug, as you can see, it is big. I thought this is 5 by 7, but clearly it is not. Okay, so this is clearly not going to work. It's huge. So I do have another rug which I got for Samrat's nursery, but we didn't end up putting it there. So yeah, let me see if that works. Otherwise, yeah, I don't know. Otherwise, we'll be without rug until I get a new rug. Like, I do not even know how this looks. I am up for a surprise here. So let's open and see. You want to cut it? Let's cut it and see. What did we get? Which mama forgot? Can you help me? Yes, good job, Papa. You like it, huh? Now I remember, it is really pretty. This is how the rug looks like. I'm really proud of my choice. It's really good. It has like 4 textures. One is this, and this is a weave, and this is, let me know what it is. This is another weave of another color. It looks really nice.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long and unresolved questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on.
This is what I could do best right now with this space. Let me know what do you think. And I wanted to add a plant. I have like 2 plants here, but then I feel like it will be too much here going on because I have a view from window as well, mirror, photo frame. So I felt like plants will be a lot. I would like to add some greenery over here. We'll see. I do not want to clutter it. I just want to keep it simple. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I feel like lighting like this adds so much coziness. Like, just imagine this space without this table lamp. It will look entirely different because the warm light is coming from that lamp. I feel like it's adding a lot to this little nook. But this lamp is from Target, and I'll see if I can find the link. Such a great quality. This is marble, so it's like really heavy. I have this plant from the kitchen. Let's see if good here. I can keep this here. What do you guys think? Okay, and I also wanted to show you this whiteboard which I usually keep here. I got this from Amazon. This also comes with a little wipe. You can wipe the surface. I write here top 3 priorities of the day, and I feel like that really helps me, so I just keep it here. I'm gonna link this as well. Okay, and I also added this little plant here. I want to keep it here. Maybe it looks much better here. Oh, it's so cute. Right, you guys, so that was all for today's vlog. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.
In my car, the road is long and full of dust. The landscape changes around me. On and on, I feel immersed. Whatever happened to me happened for my highest good. I read that in so many books, now it's almost understood.